anybody familiar with Italian? Bella means beautiful. Adagio, slow and sweet and calm. So our Parmesan is our longest aged cheese, so that's why I named it Adagio, because it takes slow aging all the way through. So we trademarked that. That's our Bella Adagio. See the little red ones on top? Those are called rosettes. That is an Asiago style cheese that we actually brine in an Italian wine for 5 days. And so that's what gives it that beautiful color. And I named it rosette. Rosette is actually a color of a type of dragonfly.
Oh, really?
Yes. So there's like 30 different dragonflies out there, and rosette and that rosette dragonfly, it's got the deepest red color.